Alright, here we go with another one. I'm going to do sharpening of these blades. These are the ones I took off last night on the changing blade video. If you look down the edge, if it'll focus on it there, it's basically flat. Hit a lot of crap with these. You don't even feel it. It's perfectly flat. I just sharpen my blades just with a angle grinder. Probably should use a bench grinder. I don't have mine mounted yet. That'll be sometime in the future. But basically, this will just be my quick process. I'll show you one blade, go from there. I'm going to use YouTube's video editing stuff to see if I can tone down the audio, because it's probably going to get really loud. And we'll see how that goes. So, if I can get a good angle on it here, like I said, just using my phone, may or may not be decent. I'll have to check it when I'm done and go from there. But I just put it in the vise about like that, run it up and down till I get a good view of it and see what it looks like. So this will be one blade. Alright, that's side number one. Flip it. Now at the angle I'm at, if I'm looking at it when I'm sharpening it, I basically sharpen until I see the edge disappear. It's one of them where it's hard to explain and I can't really show it easily yet. But that's what I look for, and that's how I can usually tell when it's sharp. Alright, that's both sides. Then I got a cheap little balancer I got. Probably Walmart will carry them. Set it on there. This side seems a little heavier. Take a little more off on that side. sitting pretty flat. But that's all I do to sharpen them. Whether that's the right way or the wrong way, I'm not sure. I usually keep 2 or 3 sets on hand so I can swap them out if I don't have time to sharpen them. But when I'm done, I mean, it's a heck of a lot sharper than it was. Probably should wire wheel these and clean them up, but I usually don't. I just take a little hand scraper, which usually this guy right here is a little flexible putty knife, and scrape off the big stuff, and then I'm good to go. So that's one blade. I'll do the other 2. I already did one just to make sure it cleaned up all right, but that's how I do it. So whether it's right or wrong, I don't know, but let me know what you think. If it helps you any, feel free to subscribe. I'll try and kind of keep some of these up and going on every now and then. But thanks for watching. And I keep updating the description on some of the videos. I have links in there for my Amazon affiliate stuff. Let me know if that keeps spamming you guys every time I update that. If it does, I'll try and stop and just update the most recent one. I'm trying to keep a list of just like tools I use and things like that in there. For you guys, if you're looking for something specific, you can just click that. It'll take you right to Amazon where you can order it. And then I get a little bit of a cut off of it. Doesn't up the price any. Just kind of a finder's fee, I guess, is what they say. But let me know. Thanks for watching.